can be my sunshine, you can be my everyday. Even when the moon rise, even when the moon rise, you can be my sunshine.
I thought we were supposed to go the other way. I'm gonna buy a new bike. Alright guys, so we are on our way to probably Bumble nowhere.
No, it's East Bumble.
East Bumble to look at a bike. I'm probably gonna buy it. I already talked to the guy.
You already looked at it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna buy it just because who goes to look at a bike and then doesn't buy it? I mean, it's pretty new, so it shouldn't have any issues. I know it needs a rear tire. That's about it. Other than that, there's a new chapter to life about to start. I'm gonna drag me on this bike, 100%. Yo, you're black in the camera. It's so funny. Matt,
It's racist.
I'm gonna drag me on this.
I guarantee that.
And guess what? Guess what we know for a fact?
What's that?
I'm gonna loop this. If I don't drop it, I'm doing something wrong. I'm not learning. I'm not pushing myself. I struggle with the rear brake, so like I'm definitely gonna send this thing right on its back.
Yeah, your front tire says that a lot.
I moved my oh, it came off. That looks like a nice stunt lot. That looks like a nice stunt lot. That looks like a nice stunt lot. Shoot, that looks like a nice stunt lot. Where the flip are we going?
Diesel.
Diesel? 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 It's green. Diesel. 269.
Yeah.
Where's your bandana? Buy a diesel.
Alright, well thank you, buddy. Alright, take it easy. Have a good weekend. Later.
What's he thinking about? What you thinking about, Matt? He's just staring at the truck.
You know, I really gotta take a shit. Oh my god.
Look at that
Has the lock handle. I have to fucking hold this thing for $60.
So stupid.
He's so concentrated on it.
Slide the back window open and just shoot out.
I want to do it incognito.
You got it. Keep going.
I don't want to get his attention.
He's looking at
I didn't do anything. Don't look at me.
I'm probably just gonna get it coming a lot sooner than I thought.
What are you coming in?
It's a truck.
You're coming in a truck?
I'd rather be coming than stroking like this piece of shit Ford.
Was that a diesel joke?
That is a diesel joke.
I don't know diesel jokes. What'd you spill?
The diesel pump didn't recognize that it was full and it spilled. So they had a little mini cone there, so I put the little mini cone on top.
How much did you spill? What'd you do? What the oh my god! Matt!
It was a waste! No.
Is it running down the side of the truck?
You said I'm pouring it out for the homies. I was too preoccupied looking at him with his camera out. It didn't have a no wonder it didn't have a clicker.
Will my balls get bigger if I buy a diesel and sell my bikes?
No.
No?
They'll get smaller. What if you go
They
from...
probably just cancel each other out.
I'm gonna have to
Maybe.
censor out literally so many words. It's gonna be so funny.
Fast food and fruit, they cancel. Like, so, big wiener, big truck, cancel.
That's your down payment. Your Sheets is out here? Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I hated Sheets for the longest because it poured gas all over me and my Gixxer, but I went in there and I was touching the screen and I made some fire sandwich and it was so good, bro. Little tap tap. What's estimated time arrival?
Hour.
ETA?
Turn left on
Oh, 121. That's a cup. That's a cup.
You're not gonna come after a white
I'm not saying that. I just trained my brain to know where cops are.
white.
Wait, I didn't hear the white joke. What was said?
It said it's a white diesel truck.
Oh, a white diesel truck.
He said it's not gonna come after it.
Oh, I see what you said there. Ah, you're just gonna throw that under the rug, huh?
Don't insinuate nothing.
Dude, if I was on my bike right now, I would have been there half an hour ago. It would have been a cold ride. Stick your hand out. Oh, heck no, dude. It's like,
Not bad.
that's 43 degrees. Yeah, you're, no. I'm cold! Thank you. Is that how they do it over there in the old Wild West? I want to go to Texas so bad with square toe boots. You think I'm joking? I'm being so serious.
Do I smell a road trip?
I want to go. I'm going. I'm going to listen to so much Luke Bryan. I can't wait. Oh, look at that thick old stunt lot. Oh, that room. Give me 20 minutes and I'm going to face plant somewhere trying to do an endo.
Yo, Cam, I got a serious question for you.
I'm listening.
So, if your wife dies of childbirth,
This is effed up. Go ahead.
Yes.
can you press charges on the baby?
No, the baby is literally not even an hour old. We all die of just weird natural causes sometimes.
Yeah, but the wife died
Yeah, but if you
giving
die
birth
in
to
your
the baby.
sleep, are you going to charge your sleep with murder?
You can't. Sleep is an inanimate object.
Okay. That's inhumane to charge the baby.
But it's what you can prove.
And I'm proving that it's inhumane.
Okay, so another question. A blind person, can they have dreams? Because, like, if you think about it, you kind of got to see to have dreams.
Imagination is a big
Yeah.
thing.
No. Yes,
Well, like-
yes. They can have dreams. They can have
Can
dreams.
they?
100%. Are they?
They're full-blown blind.
Wait, from birth?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a different one.
Yeah.
Wait, nah, but that's a different one though. But you gotta
You're
think, if you're
literally
blind from birth,
nothing.
you've never seen anything. You don't
This is what we're getting into.
Yeah, you don't
Yeah.
understand. I feel like you would understand the concept of shapes and texture.
Yeah,
So I
you would
feel like you
understand
would
the
get
concept
that,
of shapes
but like
and
you
texture.
wouldn't understand what it's like to like
like,
look
you
outside.
dream.
No, I feel like you would just dream of like a box. Something.
Rest and pepperoni.
And Yako's has pierogies that are gas. Bro, I told him I'm up by his school and he texted me about the food up here. Like that's it. Dude, it's snowing. It is May something. I don't know.
Literally flurrying.
I think Mother Nature's going through some things.
Who f***ing started playing the Jumanji game again?
Red Bull ain't it. Red Bull ain't it. It's not it. It's not it.
But it's delicious.
But it's not it.
He says he shaves his butthole because he likes to have his come out like a fish.
I heard
Well,
if you
slippery.
have a hairy butthole, like it's gonna be.
I mean, it's not a good time.
I heard you gotta wipe like 15 times.
It's like you keep wiping and there's a Sharpie marker down there.
It just keeps going. Yo, if anyone's in here and they're thinking this is gross, we are humans. First of all,
Everybody poops.
Everybody
right?
poops.
Everyone poops. Everyone pees.
Charmin 2-ply is the new U.S. currency.
I want the ones with the bears on them. My mom, for the longest, kept on buying this thin, like,
Dollar
toilet
store
paper. Yes,
paper.
bro. And I'm like, Mom. I told her, I said, you know what? It doesn't even matter to the money. Like, don't buy Oreos. I'm cool with no Oreos.
His TP is ripping upon impact.
If my nails have shit under them, I'm gonna be pissed. Moral of the story, she started buying thicker ones. I'm in the aisle for like 20 minutes trying to figure it out. That was thick. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't know if
Are you
you-
gonna wave back?
I don't think you can see it.
I don't think the tint's that strong. He sees my hand waving. These damn Karens, man! Oh, look, there goes the ad again. There goes the ad again.
What at?
Prep is a daily prevents HIV.
It doesn't explain what they're prepping. Look at that stump pad.
What is it?
Chewbacca?
Yeah, Chewbacca.
That's my man's pots and pans, 100 grand. Yo, can we eat there?
Nope,
That
we're not.
looks 100% legit, bro.
Clothes. Trap house?
It looks legit, bro.
It looks like a trap house.
For Walter White. We're legit in a mountain. Dude, like a leather suit, it not only gives you confidence on the bike, but like it gives you so much confidence off the bike. I'm saying, like, if I do a lot of dumb stuff when I'm in my suit. I feel like
I'm in my
Deadpool,
jacket, how
basically.
much-
Dual pack flip off this. I'm like, all right. I'm joking. I don't want to break my neck.
Hey, Cam, look. It's dinner.
There's a smoke
Oh
shop.
no, they hooked a balloon!
Bro! What? They hooked a balloon? Don't tell me it said get well soon, bro. To a dead deer. That's so messed up. I don't want to live out here with people like that, bro. I don't. What a world we live in today. It's literally me. What the flip? Is the camera gonna focus? Dude. It's May! Carol Baskin did all. She made the snowstorm. Probably in the back. Use turn signals.
There it is.
Oh boy! Okay, guys, I'm probably gonna buy this. She looking mighty fine. Let's go check her out. There's really not gonna be much to look at. It's a new bike. Hey,
brother.
What's going on?
what's up? Cam.
Hey.
Nice to meet you, man. Someone did a burner.
Maybe a little bit.
Did you do anything personally to it?
Oh yeah, all the work on it now.
Oh my gosh. These tires are effed, but quick, in and out 10 minutes. That was the fastest I've ever bought a bike, dude. The fastest. Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Ratchet me down.
I have to go on this side.
It's
Wait, listen. We're not blowing fork seals out here. You see that wiggle move?
It's not going.
You see that? We're not going anywhere. The whole bed's shaking. We're solid. Not to do. What the? Oh, I see what you're doing. Look at that fat seat for my big old butt. Oh, dude. He pulled up at the wrong time and his window is cracked. Let me call and buy some tires like ASAP. Yes. What should I run? What do we name it, guys? Everyone drop some comments down low. Step on it! Ah! Okay, so highly illegal windows. He's got to dump out the hood, full race interior. I want to hear him.
Yeah, that car.
Hold on. I gotta hear it. Yeah, baby! He looked over and he was like, okay, time to go. That thing's sick. Sick! I knew he was gonna do something, dude. What? That's dope, bro. He's laying down lines at freaking 60 miles an hour. Ooh, look at Star. Already off with the tires. Off with the tires. I know I can't talk. Don't make fun of me. Did you take a video of that knee knocker?
Well, listen. No,
you were
listen,
sitting
no.
there enjoying it and not recording it.
Yes. No.
Wow.
Let me speak.
We're gonna let you speak.
Stop.
Go ahead.
Listen.
Miss, I run dirt bikes into fences.
How are you terrified of that? But you ride an R1. Something ain't adding up.
It's a dirt bike.
You tell me you didn't take the video because you were playing music.
Listen.
Wait, at least I got a really cute picture.
All right, you did get a.
And they get the video.
Okay, that damn, I'm looking thick because I got like 7 layers on my legs.
Well, you aren't this thick.
Damn,
You're like
I'm
a noodle.
thick as,
You're like a noodle.
I am thick. I just did
No,
legs.
you aren't.
I did legs
I don't care, you're
yesterday.
still a
Yo,
noodle.
I will really body you up.
You have literally skinny legs that are noodles.
Bro, these
My legs
don't
are
fit-
bigger than yours.
Yo, compare. Come
I'm
on.
way bulkier
Come on.
than you. Don't
Come
play with
on,
me.
I'm taller than you.
I don't give it. Okay,
let me
sorry,
shrink down to your size and all my
let me
muscles
shrink up to my size.
I would be one stocky little.
Nothing there.
You feel that? That's
There's
all
nothing
muscle.
there.
Look,
It's
that's
all
full
squishy.
extension.
It's squishy.
That's all muscle.
Look at my full
That's all
extension.
muscle. Hey, Corey. You like it?
Arguing.
We're comparing legs.
Yep.
I think yours look better anyway.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Really? You gotta get my size.
Nah.
No.
Nah, it's cool.
Your
That's
legs
that's
are
settled.
literally the big
It's settled.
little
It's
freaking
settled.
noodle.
All right, so what this thing has a LED light up front. It's got flush mount, TST, turn signals, which I will probably never use. Is it a flashy thing?
Yeah, it is a flash.
It probably flashes on one side.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I have hazards. I forgot. Hazards are so cool.
Changes how the turn signal flashes.
Oh, it's got the relay, so it goes bop, bop, bop. Bop, 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 bop. It goes, I'm braking! Get off my ass! Your feet have to be cozy right now.
Oh, dude, they're girl slippers. Jessica's. I was trying to look for guy slippers, but they didn't have the heels on. They were like slip-on ones.
Yeah.
So I grabbed. And she's like, "Oh, try these on." I'm like, "Yeah, I tried girl slippers." And I put the girl slippers on and went. And she goes, "What?" I'm like, "They're f***ing comfortable." And I walked out of the store with them.